Hi, welcome back to another episode of Notion Custom Agent Use Cases. Today I want to showcase an automatically translation feature. So the idea is that you have this newsletter here. So I just copy paste this articles from Notion. So you can see these are just the articles. At the bottom here, you can see there's an automatic translation for Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, and French. So you can see they're all here. So these are all done automatically. Once you input your article, you can just click from status to ready. Then it automatically help you to translate and then change it to publish. Without further ado, let me just do an actual example for you. Okay, let's just say we have this news on Cloud Opus 4.6. So we just copy all of this for now. I'll add a new page here. Just paste it here. Just make sure that this is on top. Then I'll copy the image, paste it on top, and just change the status to ready. Then you can see our custom agent is running now. You can see it's translating in real time. And usually it takes around like 3 to 4 minutes. So now that we're done, let's go back to our news. So this is our news. You can see the translations at the bottom. We'll just toggle and open it. So you can see all the languages are here. So except for the images. So far, it can't really replicate it at the bottom. But yeah, that's it for today. So the custom agent for Notion is still in beta. So let me know any other use cases you're interested to know, then I can test it out.